three of us, water became kind of our sort of go-to as far as a driving material, I guess. And we're interested in how New Orleans is sort of, you could say, I guess, that the city itself is defined in almost all the ways you could possibly think of by water, you know, and both in terms of, you know, the flood and the oil spill and the way that gets perceived in the media, but also, you know, just trading and culture. And it's all, the water is sort of a framing device or a lens through which, you know, you see the city and the city is perceived and the city is defined. And so we wanted to use that and sort of try to spatialize, I guess, that idea in some way, so that as you're interacting with the space and the exhibit, your view and your perception is becoming distorted, and you, I don't know, just bringing to the forefront the idea that water is this element through which you always see the city, is that lens or whatever.
Initially, it was completely different. We actually started with 3 planes of glass, or this wouldn't be planes of glass, but they were kind of fish tanks kind of thing, but they were, you know, kind of a bigger scale. But that kind of proved a little bit too much money budget-wise, so we had to kind of scramble and figure something out without kind of losing our initial concept and initial ideas. So we came up with tubes that, you know, 44 tubes that held water and kind of does what it does now. But from the first idea to what it is now, it's pretty much kind of gone to 180 of different changes.
And it's kind of moved from, I mean, just the single plane to, I mean, kind of now what you're seeing is kind of a 3D wall, you know, with a varying level of distortion depending on where you're looking through it. And, I mean, like, the different depths and just the counts, obviously, as you can see.
The other thing, too, was the design kind of changed because of the space that we were given. We initially thought we were getting exterior space, and I think it was a couple of weeks ago that we just found out that we were inside in a huge, sort of massive exhibit hall. So we kind of had to sort of cater, change the design to kind of meet what our requirements were.